Hello, welcome to Japandi Life. Today we're going to be looking at 7 easy looks for men with long hair. I've been growing my hair for 2 years and 3 months. The longest part of my hair is 22 inches while the shortest is 14. Some tools that you'll need is a brush and a thin comb with a pointed tail end. When you have hair this long, it's important to detangle it regularly by brushing your hair. I start with my brush, but as soon as I start having some difficulty, I switch over to the comb. If the comb doesn't go through, then I use the pointy tail end, and that gets rid of any tangles for me. Naturally, hair is very different. My hair is very thick and straight. For those of you with wavy or curly hair, it will take some more time, so you might want to use some product to help add some sleekness and shimmer to your hair. My hair is now straight and untangled, so I can start styling. I use very wide elastics. These are called kushu. I find if they're wide, your hair isn't going to get caught, nor is it going to get ripped. Again, when you have nice long hair, you want to keep it healthy, and a part of that isn't just product, it's also about what you use in your hair. Generally, I would use black elastics in my hair, but since I want to show you where the elastics are, I want to use colored ones. Alright, time for the first look. With my thumb and my index finger, I make 2 L's, and I push up my hair towards the top of my head in order to make a top ponytail. If you want more volume, watch carefully. With the ponytail, I'm going to push my hair forward, adding some volume towards the front. With the elastic, I go around twice, making 2 knots, ensuring that I have made a little bun of hair at the very top and back of my head. Alright, for look 2, I'm addressing those of you who have high foreheads and don't like it. What you're going to do, you're going to mid-part it using the tail end of your comb. With the mid-part complete, you're going to grab the left side and right side of your hair using the L position with your thumb and index finger. You're going to make either a mid or low ponytail, whichever you like. Since my hair is so long, I'm adding a little bun to the back, and voila, there you go. This is the easy look that I use. It's an easy bun. All I do is do a low ponytail and then add a bun, and that's it, you're done. Here's one of the more popular looks for men with long hair, the top bun, or I suppose some people call it the top knot. However, with this much hair, it feels more like a bun. As with the first look, I put my hair in the right position, and then with the elastic, I do 2 ties. Now, depending on the natural wave of your hair, you might want to go clockwise or counterclockwise with the excess hair in the ponytail. Once you wrap it around, tuck it into your bun, and then you're done. For a little bit of extra security, add another elastic around the base of the bun, and voila, that's it. And that's the more professional or fun-loving top knot for men. The low bun is a great option for those who want to bring down their hairline. Like look number 2, we're going to part our hair in the middle and then pull our hair down towards the back of our head. Tie the elastic around the base of making a bun, and then, either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on the natural wave of your hair, wrap it around the base of the bun. If you like to work out, and if you have long hair, you understand that it can be pretty frustrating. Either the hair will get into your face while you're working out, or if you do it up, it's going to fall down. First thing you're going to do is take the hair that is above the line of the ears and tie it with an elastic as a top knot. Then you're going to take either side of the hair, twist it around the elastic and tuck it in. The elastic's going to be pretty tight, so you can use your comb, the tail end of the comb, to help push it in. Now do the same with the other side of the hair. Tie it around nice and tight. Tuck it into the back. If you need some help with the comb, you can do that, and then you're done. You can shake it out and it shouldn't be going anywhere. The final look is adding volume. Now you can apply this to any of the previous looks. I'm going to apply this to the top bun. First thing you'll need to do is apply dry shampoo. You can either have it as a spray form or a powder form. They both work well. And now we back comb. Don't start at the very front. You want to build layers, so start in the mid of the hair and then work your ways toward the front. All right, that was pretty speedy. It might take you a bit longer. Now, I'm just doing all the same steps as before with the top bun. If you have heavy or coarse hair, you're gonna have to add some hairspray to it. I like to spray it while I'm looking down to give it a chance to dry better. One of the final additions that you'll have to do for this look is to add bobby pins. Ideally, you shouldn't need too many. I generally just need 3. Then take some time to clean it up and voila. I used a little pomade to give it a nice, shiny, and clean look. Thanks for joining me for 7 looks for guys with long hair. All right, if anyone's wondering, I stayed for post credits. When you have a lot of hair, and as a man, you shed a fair bit. I think women shed a fair bit as well. But within an hour, just by combing my hair and doing all that work with it, this is how much hair has compiled on the ground, and unfortunately it doesn't show that well, but it's a whole bunch. So that's something just to keep in mind. Don't worry, you may not be going bald, it's just you shed a lot of hair. It's between 50 to 100 strands of hair you shed per day, but they are replaced because they grow back. Anyways, don't worry too much, just enjoy your hair. Bye.